Important questions of trigonometry. How many degrees is equal to 1 radian? Answer is 180 divided by pi. Which is equal to sin theta? Sin theta is given by opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is equal to cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. What is equal to tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. What is the value of tan theta if sin theta is equal to 4 divided by 5? Consider a right angle triangle. Let us take the sides as A, B and C. Given that value of sin theta is 4 divided by 5 and we know that sin theta is given by opposite by hypotenuse. So the value of opposite side is 4, value of hypotenuse side is 5. So the value of A is 4, value of C is 5. We have to find value of tan theta and we know that tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. We know the value of opposite side, we have to find value of adjacent. For this we are going to use Pythagoras theorem, which is c square is equal to a square plus b square. Value of c is 5, so 5 square equal to value of a is 4, so 4 square plus we don't know the value of b. 5 square is 25, 4 square is 16 plus b square. So b square is given by 25 minus 16, which is equal to 9. But we want the value of b, which is given by square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So the value of adjacent side is 3. Now tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is 4, adjacent is 3. So the answer is 4 divided by 3. What is the value of theta if sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2? Sin theta is root 3 by 2 at angle 60 degree. So value of theta is 60 degree. What is the value of tan 45 degree if sin 45 degree is equal to 1 divided by root 2? Tan 45 degree is 1. So the answer is option C. What is the value of sin 30 degree if cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2? Sin 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by 2. So the answer is option B. What is 1 plus cot square theta? 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. What is the height of the wall where the ladder touches the wall if the ladder is 2.5 meter long, makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground? Here the angle is given as 60 degree. So this side we consider as opposite side, this side as adjacent and this side as hypotenuse. We have to find height of the wall, that is opposite side. Hypotenuse is given. So trigonometric ratio which relates opposite side and hypotenuse is sin theta. Sin theta is given by opposite by hypotenuse. Here the angle is given as 60 degree. So sin 60 is equal to opposite side is x, hypotenuse is 2.5. Value of sin 60 is root 3 divided by 2 is equal to x divided by 2.5. So x is equal to root 3 into 2.5 divided by 2. It is equal to 2.165. So the answer is option C. What is the height of AC? Here the angle is given as 60 degree. So this side is opposite, this side is hypotenuse, and this side is adjacent. We have to find height of AC. Let us take this as x. The trigonometric ratio which relates opposite side and adjacent side is tan theta. Tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. Here the angle is given as 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to opposite side is x, adjacent is 100. Value of tan 60 is root 3 is equal to x divided by 100. So x is equal to root 3 into 100, which is equal to 173.2. So the answer is option C. What is the height of the building if a ladder at 45 degree touches the building placed 16 meters from the base of the building? Consider the building and ladder. So the ladder is placed at 45 degree. So this side is opposite, this side is hypotenuse, this side is adjacent. We have to find height of the building. So let us take this as x, and given that ladder is placed 16 meter from base, so adjacent side is given as 16 meter. Trigonometric ratio which relates opposite side and adjacent side is tan theta. Tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. The angle is 45 degree. So tan 45 is equal to opposite side is x, adjacent side is 16. Tan 45 is equal to 1, x divided by 16. So x is equal to 16 into 1, which is equal to 16. So the answer is option B. What is the angle of elevation of the top of a lighthouse of 15 meter height seen at a point 15 meter away from the base? Here the angle is theta. This side is opposite, hypotenuse, and adjacent. Opposite and adjacent sides are given. We have to find the angle. Trigonometric ratio which relates opposite and adjacent is tan theta. Tan theta is given by opposite by adjacent. Tan theta is equal to opposite is 15, adjacent is 15. So tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1 at angle 45 degree. So angle theta is equal to 45 degree. The answer is option B.